What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back for day 17 of the grade. Today we're talking about music video grades. Key thing about music video grades, the visuals try to match the aggression or the intensity of the song. So if it's a slower song, the grade won't be as intense, but if it's a hype song or if the tempo of the beat, the BPMs are very high, then you will have a very punchy, very contrasty, very bold grade. And so with this video, he's shooting a flamethrower, so because of that, I want to make it a very aggressive grade. Like I said, I'm going to turn everything off and turn everything on one by one so you can see what each process is doing. And this is the same node tree that we have been working with this whole time. But what we have here is a very punchy grade. And you see he's shooting a flamethrower. So what we want to do is simulate what that would look like in visual effect. If we had a softer grade here, we went here, kind of soften it up. It just doesn't look right. But we could sharpen it up. Now it looks way more punchy. And so this is what you want to do when you're making a music video. You want to match the intensity of the song to create your grade. And there's other techniques that you do on location, but we're just focusing on the grading part here. Thank y'all for watching day 17 of the grade. Tune in for day 18, where we talk about that vintage faded look. Deuces.